Okay, I put all 3 new belts on. There was definitely some ice in between there. I don't know if it would have been enough to really stop from steering, but I took a heat gun, heated up the kingpin, just pumped as much grease into everything I could, and then doused it all with penetrating spray. Did that to both sides. Power steering pump's definitely spinning better now. Who knows, maybe my alternator will charge better too. Okay, well, give her a go and see if this has some steering now finally. Gotta get rid of the bricks. Well, she has steering, but that pump's not happy. Okay, well, an improvement's an improvement. All right, so yeah, no, now it's just making a lot of noise. Let's try driving it a little bit in the driveway. Let's see if this helps. Well, I'll be damned. Yep, once you start moving, she has steering. Looks like we're gonna go for a drive. Awesome. All right. Woohoo, she drives like a tractor. Oh yeah, good transmission. All right. Well, it's been leaking, so it probably needs some gear oil in there. There's third. Oh yeah, all right, Kevin's a happy boy. I mean, that motor's got a heck of a vibration to it, but hey, she's driving, she's stopping, she's steering. Woo-hoo! Oh yeah, she runs, she drives, she stops, she shakes, she vibrates, she rumbles, she's old as balls. Oh man, that felt great to go for a drive. It wasn't a long one. Around the block a few bit, got her up to about just shy of 60 kilometers an hour. Yeah, those tires are definitely past their expiry. But man, yeah, she's running, she's driving. I got emergency wheels now. Yeah. She idle's not too bad, she's fairly smooth, but once you rev her, she definitely vibrates. Well, like if you look at the tire, she does vibrate a bit. Exhaust manifolds are definitely leaking. I mean, technically you should tighten them, but pretty sure they're all original. So if I tighten them, I'll probably end up snapping them, and I don't want to open up another can of worms right now. She's driving. I don't care if she's noisy. My neighbors might, but I don't. Oh yeah, yeah.